This video demonstrates how to utilize the template functionality to code efficiently in eSquare Studio. The template function allows you to quickly input frequently used codes. Typing time is reduced and codes can be standardized to match the coding style, which makes coding more efficient. To use a template, enter the template name and press Ctrl+space. Templates can be created or modified using the Templates page of the Preferences dialog or the Templates view. The Templates page of the Preferences dialog is opened by opening the dialog via Window, Preferences, and then via C/C++, Editor, Templates. Select a template to browse the template contents. To create a new template, use the New Template dialog displayed by the New button. Variables can be used in templates. For example, $date for date insertion. To change the template, use the Edit Template dialog displayed by the Edit button. To remove a template, select it and click Remove button. To share the template with other PC users, use the Export and Import buttons. After selecting a template, use the Export button to output it to a file and the Import button to import it. Similarly, templates can be created and edited in the Templates view. The Templates view can be opened from Window, Show View, Other, General, Templates. To create or edit, use the tool buttons in the Templates view. In this way, the template function reduces work effort and errors and increases coding efficiency.